smartphone while eating your food. We all use smartphones religiously, but do you know that your smartphone screen has way more bacteria than a toilet seat? Yes, you heard that right. Research shows that usually a smartphone carries more than 17,000 bacterial gene copies on your phone screen. Can you even imagine? And by using your phone while eating, you're only leading those bacteria into your mouth and also to your body. Worried? Well, don't you worry. Here's what you can do about this. Number 1. Stop using your phone while eating. Keep your phone at a distance. Wash your hands properly before every meal. Number 2. Sanitize. Sanitize your phone time and again. It will help fight the bacteria. Number 3. If you're somewhere out and if you don't have an option but use the phone, then try using a spoon and avoid eating from your hand. Number 4. Use a UV box. Once you enter your house, just keep your phone inside that UV box for some time. The UV rays in this box will help fight the bacteria. Number 5. We all tend to take our phones inside washroom. Well, that's a big no-no. By taking your phone inside the bathroom, you are just multiplying the level of those bacteria. Well, I hope this information helps you. Stay cautious. Please follow all these things and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to stay healthy and stay fit.